Fasting is like a reset button for your body. It gives your digestive system a break and allows your body to focus on healing and detoxifying. It can help with weight loss and feeling better overall. Many people report feeling more energetic and clear-headed after a fast. Many people try a 3-day water fast for these benefits. It's a simple yet powerful way to give your body a break. This means only drinking water for 3 days. No food, just pure, clean water to help flush out toxins. I wanted to experience this myself. I had heard so much about the benefits and was curious to see how it would affect me. 3 days without food seemed like a big challenge. I wondered if I had the willpower to go through with it. Would I be hungry all the time? The thought of constant hunger was daunting. Would I have enough energy? I was concerned about feeling weak or tired. I was a little nervous to start. The unknown can be intimidating, especially when it comes to something as fundamental as eating. But I knew that many people find fasting helpful. The potential benefits were too good to ignore. I was ready to see what it could do for me. I felt a mix of excitement and apprehension. It was time to focus on just water for 3 days and see what happened. I was committed to the journey and eager to discover the results. The first day of fasting is always the hardest. Your body is used to getting food regularly every single day. When you stop eating, your body notices immediately. I felt hungry pretty quickly. My stomach was rumbling and I kept thinking about food constantly. It was hard to resist the urge to snack. To distract myself, I drank lots of water. I also stayed busy with work and other activities. By the end of the day, I was tired. My body was working hard to adjust to the lack of food. On the second day, I woke up feeling surprisingly good. The morning light filtered through my window, casting a warm glow over everything. I felt a sense of calm and optimism as I stretched and got out of bed. The hunger pangs were less intense than I had anticipated. My stomach felt more settled, and I wasn't constantly thinking about food. It was a relief to feel this way. My body was starting to adapt to the fast. I took some time to meditate and focus on my breathing, which helped me center myself and stay grounded. I had more energy than I expected. It was surprising to feel so invigorated, almost as if my body was tapping into a new source of vitality. I went for a walk and did some light exercise. The fresh air and gentle movement felt wonderful, and it was a great way to start the day. It felt good to move my body. The simple act of walking and stretching brought a sense of joy and freedom. However, I did start to experience some side effects. There were moments when I felt a bit off. I had a mild headache and felt a little lightheaded at times. These symptoms were a reminder that my body was undergoing a significant change. This is normal during a fast as your body detoxifies. The process of cleansing can bring about these temporary discomforts. Drinking plenty of water and getting some rest helped me manage these symptoms. Staying hydrated and allowing myself to rest were crucial in navigating this phase of the fast. Day 2. Finding my rhythm. By the third day, something truly amazing happened. The hunger was almost completely gone. I felt a sense of peace and clarity that I hadn't expected. My mind felt sharp, and I could focus easily. It was as if the fog had lifted completely. I had more energy than I had felt in a long time. This was the mental clarity that people talk about when they fast. It was a feeling of being present and in tune with my body. Day 3. Unexpected clarity. Completing the 3-day water fast was a powerful experience. It was a journey that tested my limits and pushed me beyond my comfort zone. It was challenging at times, with moments of fatigue and hunger, but the benefits were worth it. Each day brought new insights and a deeper understanding of my own resilience. I proved to myself that I had the discipline to stick with it. The sense of accomplishment I felt at the end was indescribable, knowing I had achieved something significant. I gained a new appreciation for my body and its ability to adapt. The physical changes were noticeable, but it was the mental and emotional shifts that truly stood out. Most importantly, I experienced the incredible mental clarity that fasting can bring. My thoughts were sharper, my focus was enhanced, and I felt a profound sense of peace. It was a reminder that sometimes less is more. Simplifying my diet and lifestyle brought a new level of mindfulness and appreciation for the essentials. If you're considering trying a water fast, I encourage you to do your research and listen to your body. It's important to understand the process and be prepared for the challenges. It could be a transformative experience. Embrace the journey with an open mind and heart, and you might discover unexpected clarity and strength within yourself.